Hey there, and welcome to Marchborn's Tutorials. Today we are talking about Sinking Fund Tracker, also known as Savings Fund Tracker. This is a Google Sheets savings tracker tutorial, but the Excel Sheets version is the same. First things first, if you come across a message saying the spreadsheet is protected, don't worry. You can't edit it, and that's okay. Just click on Cancel, and you're good to go. Now, go to the Settings tab and customize your template. This step is required. The template has a simple setup. Select the currency from the drop-down. I have already selected the dollar currency here, but as you can see, you can select any currency you want. This template supports all currencies of the world. Next, we will add sinking fund, also known as savings fund names here. Suppose you want to save for an emergency, car, house, or anything you want to save for, write the name for it here. You can add up to 13 savings funds. Let's write down some examples here. Emergency fund, car, house, wedding, laptop, travel/vacation, garden, annual bills. Next, we will go to the sinking fund tab. Locate the Sinking Fund Overview table and fill in the following columns for each savings fund. Goal amount, the total amount you want to save. Monthly planned, the amount you plan to save each month. Start balance, the amount you already have saved. The rest of the columns in this table will be automatically calculated. Let's fill in some sample numbers. Remember, use your actual figures for better results. For the goal amount, let's say $30,000 for emergency fund, $25,000 for car, $100,000 for house, $40,000 for wedding, $2,000 for laptop, $30,000 for travel/vacation, $1,000 for garden, $2,000 for annual bills. Now, for the monthly planned amount. $1,500 for emergency fund, $2,000 for car, $10,000 for house, $2,000 for wedding, $200 for laptop, $50 for garden, $200 for annual bills. Lastly, we have the start balance. This is optional. If you're just starting, leave it blank or put 0. If you already have saved amount, enter the amount. Okay, let's fill in some starting balances. Emergency fund, $5,000. Car, $6,000. Wedding, $8,000. Laptop, leave blank. Garden, $100. Annual bills, leave blank. Great! As you can see, the rest of the columns have been automatically calculated. Let's break down those columns. Total saved. This shows the combined amount of your starting balance and any contributions you've added in the Contribution Tracker tab. Left to save. This is simply your goal amount minus the total saved. Months left, calculated by dividing left to save by monthly planned. Estimated date. This is the projected date you'll reach your goal based on today's date, plus the months left. This date will automatically update as you save. Progress. This column visually represents how far along you are towards your goal. In the next steps, we'll dive into the Contribution Tracker tab to see how to record your actual savings. This is where you'll record every amount you save towards your sinking funds. Whenever you set aside money for a specific fund, input the details here. Let's break down how to input data into the Contribution Tracker tab. Date. Double-click on the date cell and a calendar will pop up, Google Sheets only. Select the desired date. For Excel users, manually input the date in the preferred format. Fund name. Select the specific sinking fund from the drop-down menu. Amount. Enter the amount you saved for that particular fund on that date. Let's add some examples. On August 1st, you saved $1,500 for emergency fund, $2,000 for car, $5,000 for house, $2,000 for wedding, $200 for laptop, $50 for garden, $200 for annual bills. Notice how the saved column automatically updates based on your contributions. This affects the months left, estimated date, and progress as well. You can record up to 1,000 transactions here. If you need more, contact our support team, and they will be happy to add more rows for you. Now you are wondering that from some saving funds I have used the amount or I have spent the amount for it. Let's say I have purchased a pot worth $25 for my garden and I have used garden fund money, then how to record this in contribution tracker. To record this, enter a negative amount in the contribution tracker. Select the date, choose garden as the fund, and input -25. See how your garden fund balance decreases by $25. That's it for the contribution tracker. Let's move to sinking fund cards, which is a visual representation of your savings progress for each fund. It's designed to be a quick and easy way to see how close you are to reaching your goals. Each card displays the fund name, the goal amount, the current saved amount, a progress bar showing the percentage saved, the amount left to save. It's a dynamic section that automatically updates based on the information in the Contribution Tracker tab. The last section in this tab is the Notes section. This is a free space for you to write anything you want. You can jot down reminders, goals, or any other information related to your savings. That concludes our tutorial. We hope you enjoyed this video and found the template helpful. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful tools and tips. Thanks for watching.